Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. We're in the guest room, which is not typical, right? But I have a product review for you today, and it's from the Cololeaf custom-made curtain company. And I was contacted by them and they asked me if they could send me some curtains, and I was like, of course, yeah, that'd be awesome. So they sent me 2 blackout curtains for that I'm going to be using in my guest room, and they also sent me this sample like swatch booklet that I just want to flip through some of these colors for you. So this is the Frank linen line. It's a blackout linen fabric. Yeah, so check out the link in the description box down below. Check out their website, see if you see any curtains that you have to have. Until next time, find joy in all you do, carve out some time for crafting and creating, and remember it's always better when you make stuff up.